Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best drone for under 1000 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Drones have become an essential tool in cinematography, revolutionizing the way we capture breathtaking aerial shots. With advancements in technology, these flying cameras have become more affordable, making them accessible to a wider range of enthusiasts and professionals. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best drone for under $1,000. Fortunately, there are some standout brands in the market that offer impressive features and performance within this budget. In this blog, we will explore the top contenders for the title of the best drone for under $1,000 in 2023. Please note that my selection is purely objective, as I have no affiliation with any of these companies. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best drone for under $1,000. Let's begin. At number 5 is DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly. The ultimate drone for under $1,000 in 2023 introduction. When I first considered owning a drone, I had concerns about whether it would live up to my expectations. However, after doing extensive research and saving up a budget of $1,000 from my part-time jobs, I finally decided to take the plunge. The DJI Mavic Air 2 was my choice, primarily for recording my daily social media videos. Little did I know that this drone would bring me so much joy and deliver incredible images and videos. In this article, I will share my experiences and explain why the DJI Mavic Air 2 is the best drone for flying under $1,000. From the moment I first used the DJI Mavic Air 2, I realized that owning a drone was truly a thrilling experience. The ease of use, stability, and maneuverability of this drone made it an absolute joy to fly. Whether I'm capturing breathtaking aerial shots or exploring new locations, the Mavic Air 2 never fails to impress. One of the main reasons I invested in the DJI Mavic Air 2 was its ability to capture high-quality images and videos. With its 48-megapixel camera and 4K video capabilities, this drone delivers stunning visuals that surpass my expectations every time. The drone's advanced features, such as HDR and hyperlapse mode, further enhance the creativity and versatility of my footage. At number 4 is DJI FPV Combo. It's hard to believe that my university journey is coming to an end. Time has flown by so quickly, filled with cherished moments spent with my friends and teachers. Lately, I've found myself being overwhelmed by a wave of nostalgia, reminiscing about the good times we've had. One day, while flying my drone, a brilliant idea struck me. Why not create a lasting memory for each person in our group? And so, armed with my DJI FPV Combo drone, I set out to capture these precious moments on film. Using the DJI FPV Combo for drone videography was an incredible experience. Its smooth and precise controls allowed me to effortlessly navigate through both indoor and outdoor spaces, ensuring that no moment went uncaptured. The sizable audience gathered inside and outside the university building witnessed the drone's capabilities firsthand, and their excitement only fueled my determination to create something extraordinary. Of course, there were detractors who questioned the use of a drone for memory making. But their skepticism only motivated me further. I knew deep down that this drone was the perfect tool to bring my vision to life. At number 3 is DJI Air 2S Fly. The perfect drone for under $1,000 in 2023. As an avid fan of DJI drone models, I am always on the lookout for the latest innovations in the industry. Recently, I stumbled upon an article that showcased the remarkable modification of the DJI Mavic Air 2, resulting in the birth of a new and improved drone, the DJI Air 2S. Being a loyal customer of DJI, I wasted no time in purchasing this upgraded version of the Mavic Air 2. What attracted me most to this model was its impressive combination of premium features and enhancements, all at a reasonable mid-range price point. As a photographer, I rely on drones for capturing breathtaking aerial shots during my photo shoots. And let me tell you, the DJI Air 2S does not disappoint. From its long-lasting battery life to its precise and accurate flying capabilities, this drone complements my skills perfectly. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 2S is its improved camera performance. Equipped with a high-resolution 1-inch CMOS sensor, it allows me to capture stunning 20-megapixel photos and record videos in glorious 5.4K resolution. The level of detail and clarity in my shots is truly exceptional, giving my work an extra edge. Furthermore, the Air 2S offers a host of intricate controls and features that are often only found in more advanced drones. With its upgraded obstacle sensing capabilities and improved subject tracking, I can confidently navigate through challenging environments and capture dynamic shots with ease. At number 2 is DJI Mini 2 Fly. When it comes to performance, the DJI Mini 2 Fly doesn't disappoint. With a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, you have plenty of time to compose the perfect shot without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the drone can resist level 5 winds and take off at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters, providing stability and reliability even in challenging conditions. Whether you're flying along a windy coastline or soaring high above an alpine forest, your footage will remain steady and smooth. Another impressive feature of the DJI Mini 2 Fly is its 4x digital zoom capabilities. No longer do you need to get uncomfortably close to capture your dream shot. With the zoom function, you can easily transition between shots of varying distance and composition, making it safer and more convenient to capture those stunning aerial views. In addition to its outstanding features, the DJI Mini 2 Fly also embraces the latest advancements in drone technology. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a breeze to pack and carry with you wherever you go. Whether you're embarking on a hiking adventure, exploring a bustling city, or simply enjoying a vacation, this drone is the perfect companion to document your journey. Now moving to the last one is DJI Mavic Air Quadcopter. Your ultimate adventure companion for drone enthusiasts under $1,000 in 2023. Are you ready to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights? Look no further than the DJI Mavic Air in stunning Arctic white. Packed with advanced features, this foldable and portable drone is designed to unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking moments from every angle. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a travel blogger, or simply an adventure seeker, the DJI Mavic Air is the perfect tool to unlock your imagination and push the boundaries of what's possible in aerial photography. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic Air is its ability to capture stunning 32MP sphere panoramas. With just a tap of your finger, you can capture a full 360-degree panoramic image that will leave your viewers in awe. This feature is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes, architectural marvels, or even group photos with all your friends. Portability is key when it comes to adventuring with a drone, and the DJI Mavic Air delivers on that front. With its foldable design, this drone can easily fit into your backpack or even your pocket. You'll never have to worry about lugging around bulky equipment again. Simply unfold the DJI Mavic Air, and you're ready to take flight and capture stunning aerial footage whenever inspiration strikes. So guys, this was the video about the best drone for under 1,000. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.